Hello friends, welcome to Everything Yagnik. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here is the MI package which I bought from mi.com. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Okay, it seems that here is one power bank which I bought. So nice packaging first of all. It says made in India. It's 10,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2i. This power bank can charge my Mi 1 at least 2.2 times, and it says that it charges iPhone 7 for 3.5 times. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox this. So here is the package of Mi Power Bank 2i. As soon as we unbox it, we can see that there are two slots. One is for the power bank itself and second slot is for the cable. There is nothing else in the box except the user manual. I know guys, you are going to ignore this, but let's have a look at that. So it says some basic stuff about this power bank and says verify your power bank by the sticker given on the power bank box. Now let's see the power bank itself. Nice packaging. Now let's see how is the quality of the cable provided with this power bank. So we get a cable here. It's a short cable, double the length of this power bank, and it's a micro USB port. One end is normal USB type A and the other is micro USB. If your phone has USB type C like my Mi1, then you have to purchase USB type C cable separately, and otherwise you can use your cable USB type C which is provided in your phone box. Let's have a look at the power bank itself. Let's see how it looks. So wow, see how slim it is. It's almost slim as my finger. Wow, gorgeous design. Nice work, MI. It says 10,000 mAh. Apart from the design of this power bank, I would like to add that this is the one of the best power bank available right now. There are two USB type A ports and one charging port for micro USB cable. Now here is the twist, the button. This button can be used to switch to slow charging mode and fast charging mode by holding it. Now let's test this power bank. Let's see if it charges my device Samsung Galaxy S Duos or not. Let's take this pin into USB type A first slot. Yes, it's charging. Now let's see if the other port is working or not. Yes, the other port is also working. And this button can be used for slow charging and fast charging. Let's hold it for 2 seconds. Okay, then it disconnected the charging, and now here it connected. It will charge my device so slowly. It is generally used for Bluetooth devices and smart wearable watches which are required slow charging. Let's go for fast charging again. Let's hold for 2 seconds. Again it's disconnected and now connected with fast charging. Now let's know more about this power bank. There is one interesting fact about this power bank. Apart from its design, let's have the details. Oh, it is that it supports fast charging up to 15 watt max. It can be fast charged and also it can charge our device faster, that is 9 volt and 2 ampere maximum, which leads to 18 watt, but it says 15 watt output maximum. It says 10,000 milliampere hour and ideally it should get 6,600 milliampere hour. So nice work, MI. See how slim it is. Here is Samsung Galaxy S Duos and the power bank. Comparison wise, it is nearly as slim as my Samsung Galaxy S Duos. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a huge thumbs up to this video and please stay subscribed because many more awesome videos like this are going to come real soon on this channel.